Today we're going to make this fun origami water bomb. To make the origami water bomb, first fold the paper in half on the diagonal and fold it again for the other half. Flip the paper. Now fold the paper in half by joining the two opposite sides. Join these new folds inwards, forming a triangle. Join this corner with the peak, and do the same with the other corner. Flip the paper over, and do the same on the other side. Join this corner with the midline, and repeat with the corner on this side. Flip the paper over and do the same with the other two corners. Look, these folds have formed small pockets. Fold the top flap down like this and insert it into the formed pocket. Fold the top flap down like this and insert it into the pocket. Do the same with this one. Flip the paper over and repeat. Open the paper. You'll notice a small hole in the bottom. It blows out there. Now ready to fill it with water. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.